7, 8, 9. The wait has come to an end. 10.
Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Morning everyone, welcome to another episode of the BOSH Boys vlog. It's a gorgeous day here in Clapham, which is where we live, and I'm just on my way into the studio because we're going to be recording an audiobook again for How to Live Vegan. If you don't know, How to Live Vegan is our new book that is coming out in October. It's all about the how and the why of living vegan, tips, tricks, lots of stuff about health, climate change, all that good stuff. So if you haven't already got a copy, then do grab one. The link is in our bio or on our website. Thanks for being here. Thanks for hanging out with us. Do subscribe if you're not already, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. As well, we will be recording that audiobook for hours, sat in there with headphones on. The good thing is we get to eat some tasty food, and it's right next to Wagamama. So for today's lunch, vegan lunch, I thought we would go for Wagamama and try out Avant-Garde Vegan's new dish with Wagamama, which is called the Avant-Garden. First, coffee, and then I've got to get there quickly because I've decided to Boris bike and I don't have much time left. Here we go. And away we go. Next stop, Jungle Studios. Oh, look, listen to this, Ian.
2,
I'm counting to 10.
3,
Classic.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Way. Ian's been practicing that for ages. Wow. There we have another audiobook session done. Feel like we've earned our meal now. So we're gonna head next door to Wagamama and test out Avant-Garde Vegan's collaboration dish. Excited, Ian?
I certainly am. I cannot wait to eat this. That vegan egg apparently is very, very good. Cheers. First up, green juice.
I've gone for a Nico yellow curry with a turmeric and coconut broth. I mean, look at it, it's fresh, it's healthy, it looks zingy, it's packed with greens. I'm gonna feel good after eating this. But the main thing is, we're waiting for Avant-Garden's dish. That's what I'm really thinking about.
This is the mixed mushroom panko bun. Now, it's so soft, and that aubergine slice looks really, really crunchy. Those mushrooms look beautifully seasoned. Let's have a little taste. Yeah, there's really rich, deep, smoky flavours in there. Really, really sort of authentic in terms of the cuisine. Let's give the whole thing a taste. So the flavour of this dish is really, really nice. But the best thing about it is the two contrasting textures. You've got the softness, the light fluffiness of the bun, and the real crunchiness of the aubergine. This is a delightful starter, absolutely lovely.
Veg tempura, always good, with a little soy dipping sauce. Oh, delicious, really tasty.
So here we are. The wait has come to an end. This is the Avant-Garde by our pal Gaz, who also goes by the name Avant-Garde Vegan. You've got the big vegan egg made out of coconut meat with a sriracha yolk. We've got these wonderful edamame beans with the black and white sesames. Delicious. And then this barbecue seitan strips. And I'll tell you something, this barbecue is very delicious because it's really, really smoky. It's got a lovely sweetness to it, but it's also got like a salty undertone. Oh, I could eat that all day long, that is delicious. This is a great collaboration. It's marvellous to see influencers like Gaz working with big restaurant chains like Wagamama to put vegan food on loads of plates. So big up yourself, Gaz, you're a legend, and well done Wagamama for working with such a good guy.
That is bang bang cauliflower. We love cauliflower. In fact, one of our biggest dishes is the cauliflower buffalo wings. We might have to recreate something like this. Gorgeous. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's smoky, it's hot, and you've got a little bit of char on the cauliflower, so it's well cooked too. Really, really well put together. That was another episode of the Boss Boys vlog. The avant-garde Wagamama, really tasty. Gaz, well done. And now we've got to go back and do some more recording. We hope you've enjoyed another episode of this Boss Boys vlog. Do let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not already, because we make delicious vegan food and vegan videos every single day. And we'll see you tomorrow.